meghalayapost.news. Keyboard Shah District the Singi Shah Khang Khyrdop Sindan Yakaway ka Khyrdop Krong Khajana ka Khas Autonomous Council ka Pynieng Dangshan ha Umdihar baha bag Surokbah National Highway 6 Hari Bhai District kani ke jingli khang ka Bor Shah District yakate ka Khyrdop ka KHADC ka hadian bagi Bor Shah District kala yo jingte bala Pynieng yakate ka Khyrdop ha road ka Surokbah National Highway 6 ha Umdihar hakaba kala Krong Pisa arspat nga ka we ka trok bakit mar ke bayat ingba kate ka Khyrdop halor kani ke jingbo yakate ka Khyrdop ki Bor Shah District bagi Bor Pulit kari boy mentak sing kala Shah Khang Tala yakate ka Khyrdop bala Pynieng bian klem da yo jingbet na ka sarkar khamtam bakate ka Surokbah National Highway 6 hari boy.
It has come up in Umdihar on the national highway, and apparently the check gate belongs to KHADC. However, as per the government rules, no check gate of any department can come up over national highway or state PWD roads without adequate permission and NOC from the competent authority. So that's why when we received complaints and since there was a news report, we had to close it down.
meghalayapost.news